Morning students. Hi students, how are you ma? Are you fine? Everyone is fine, isn't it? With God grace. So in previous class, I started history lesson 2, human evaluation, right? So that continuation, okay ma? So everyone take your social book ma, turn page number 122. So have you seen one map is there? Migration of Homo sapiens from East Africa to other parts of the world. Okay, so migration means they move from one place to another. Okay, the people Homo sapiens is moved East Africa to other parts of the world. Okay, East Africa to other parts of the world means what? Many parts. Okay, then many areas they went. Homo sapiens. Okay, ma. So the conversation. Okay, so Tamilini. Grandma, will you explain it in detail? Okay, so again he understood little only, but again Tamilini asked more information about human evaluation. Okay, so again and again, so Tamilini asked questions to grandma. Okay, ma. So grandma, human evaluation means the process through which the humankind changes and develop towards an advanced stage of life. See how the modern human has evolved. Okay, so human evaluation means what ma? The process. Okay, the process through which the humankind changes and develop towards an advanced stage. Okay, humankind has changed. Okay, little by little. Okay, little by little the changes it happened in the human life. Okay, so human evaluation means this is the process for that. Okay, this is the process for that. So see how the modern human has evolved. Okay, now modern period, isn't it? So the humans are our modern period human the peoples are entirely different, isn't it? Many changes has happened. Okay students, many changes it happened in the human's life. Okay, so like that it is humans in erect position and walking on two legs happened much later only. First itself I said apt, isn't it? Apt. Okay, so first the man walked differently. Okay, the man walked differently. Later only this two hand. Okay, so the erect position and walking on two legs happened much later only. Little later only the man used the legs and walked. Okay students. Okay, so first they bent and walked. Then later what ma? It's little by little straight it is. Okay, so now human beings what? Walking straightly, isn't it? So like that changes it happen in the first form. First. Okay, then second, changes in thumb so that they can hold things tightly. Okay, then little later what happened? In the thumb, isn't it? In the hand. Holding also little later only it happened. Okay, they hold the things. If anything want to take means what? They won't take. Okay, everything is fell down. Okay, so later only what? They hold the things. Okay, more tightly. So development of brain. Okay, then what? Development of brain. Now also what? Developments it's happened in the human life, isn't it mom? Isn't it mom? So like that it will be. So Tamilini's grandma explained like this: Homo sapiens who migrated out of Eastern Africa settled in different parts of the world. Okay, so again the grandma is explaining Homo sapiens are settled in different parts of the region. Okay, so their lifestyle also evolved and they made it suitable to the environs in which they lived. Okay, so the lifestyle also entirely it is different. So it is the suitable for that. Okay, they lived differently. So humans in different places adopted different forms of lifestyle based on the weather, climate and nature of the living place. Okay, so the human also settled in different region. Okay, so it is suitable for the people. Okay, the climatical changes, weather condition. If it is too hot, what it will happen? It's very difficult to live, isn't it? If it is too cool also, what it will happen? It is very difficult, isn't it? But in other continents, what? The cool climate, the weather also the changes will happen. So that people are settled in the particular places. Okay, so it is suitable for our body condition also, it's good for that. Okay, so like that the changes that happen in the humans life. Okay ma. Okay, then living place, their physique and complexion are also different. Okay, this resulted in the formation of different races. Human procreation resulted in an increase in the population. Okay, then later the population is increased. Okay, the color is different. Okay, talking style, walking style is different. So like that it will be. So the population is increased. Okay, the population is increased. Then Tamilini, grandma, it's fantastic, grandma. Yes, it is. I shall now explain to you in detail how the Homo sapiens engaged in hunting and gathering. Okay, so grandma again they are going to explain what Homo sapiens, what character, how they catch the animals, hunting and gathering, the developments that happen. They are going to explain about this. Okay, so hunting and food gathering. Hunting and food gathering. Tamil, you will be surprised to know that millions of years ago, our ancestors led a nomadic life. Okay, so they're telling, the grandma's explaining what in million years ago, what the man lived in the forest. Okay, the nomadic life only they lived. Okay, they would settle in, there no permanent places. Okay, no permanent places, students. They settled in some place, in some areas. Okay, they move from one place to another. Okay, so nomadic life only. Ancestors means, you know, before our grandma, great grandpa, so like that it will be. Our ancestors lived like this. Okay, students, they lived like this. Okay, then they move from one place to another. Nomadic life only they lived. Okay, then they lived in group in a cave or a mountain range. Okay, grouply they live in one place in the mountain side. They will be. Okay, students. Then cave side also. Each group consisted 30 to 40 people. Okay, so each group, how many members will be there? 30 or 40 members. Okay, 40 members of people. Then they kept on moving in search of food. What purpose they will go? Grouply they will go and collect the foods. Okay, food. Fresh vegetables they will eat, fresh fruits they will eat. Okay, so if we can see anyone animals, they will kill the animals and what they will do? Without cooking, they will eat. Okay, so later only what happened? They fire, they know, isn't it? With the help of the fire, what they fried and they eat the flesh. Okay, now what we are doing? We are applying some such a type of masalas and all, isn't it? It is tasty for us, isn't it? Isn't it, pa? So it is tasty for it is tasty for the people. It is our wish what they are doing. We are preparing like this. Okay, like that the developments it happen in the human life. Okay, so come to the class, come to the point, students. What happened here? Each group consisted of 30 to 40 people. So these people what they will do? They will move together only. Okay, they will move together and they will collect the food also. Then they hunted pig, deer, bison, rhino, elephants and bear for food. Okay, so what they will do, ma? They collect, they hunt the animals. Okay, pig, deer, bison, rhino, elephant and bear also they killed. Okay, ma? Then they also ate the animals killed by other wild animals like tiger. Okay, like tiger only it will be. Oh, what they will do? The animals killed by other wild animals, isn't it, pa? So like that also. They learned the art of fishing also. Later what happened? The man learned the catching the fish. In the coastal area many fishes will be there, isn't it? Fish also it is tasty, isn't it? So the man learned that little later only. Okay. So like that the changes it happened. Then they collected honey from bee hives. Okay, ma, bee hives. That means what? Honey. Everyone like it is tasty, isn't it? Sweet it is, isn't it? So the man understood that they collect the honey also. Okay, what? Bees live. So in that forest area, honey bee will be there, isn't it? So we know that comb is there, isn't it? So in that comb, what we can collect the honey. Okay, students. So like that it will be. Then plucked fruits. Okay, from the trees and dug out uh, dug out tubers from the ground. Okay, ma? So later what happened? The honey and all they will collect, and the fruits also they collected. The trees and dug out, they kept in the ground. Okay. Then they also collected grains from the forest. Once the food resource got exhausted in one area, they moved to another place in search of food. Okay, so they collected if the food is shortage in particular area, this items if they will get means what later what it will happen, shortage will come, isn't it? So if it is shortage, what they will do, they will move from another place. Okay, they will move from another place. So what for what purpose? To collect the food. Okay, that purpose they went to other area. Then there were hides of animals and barks of trees and leaves for protecting their bodies during winter. Okay, so for protecting purpose, what they used leaves and all. So human began hunting to satisfy their need for food. Okay, so later what happened? Now the man satisfied that. Why means to hunting to satisfy. Then what they will do now? They will preserve also. So suppose if they're preserving time, the food will spoil, isn't it? So if it is happened like this means what? It is enough means what? They won't hunt others. Okay, they won't hunt animals. So they will stay in one place after eating. If the food is shortage, they will move from another places. Okay, they will move from another place to catch the to collect the foods. Okay, students. So this method, the Homo sapiens did that. If we can see this picture, we can come to know some ideas. Okay, ma'am. So see, students, hunting method. Go as a group and hunt the prey. Have you seen what deer is like this? Isn't it? How they are carrying, isn't it? So like that. Then second picture, dig a pit and trap the animals and hunt. What they will do? They will dig the pit. Okay. And what they will do? Wild animals moving time, it will fall down in this deep. Okay. So what they will do? Group of members will kill the particular animals. It will be. Then if we can turn the next page, 124. Many pictures has given ma. 124. Art of flacking. Have you seen? Keeping a stone in the bottom and sharpened it with another stone. Okay. So this is the stones. Tools. Okay. What they did in the bottom, it will be what with the help of the stone they are sharpening the tools. Okay, ma. Then next, to make a stone tools, two stones were taken. One was used as a hammer to sharpen the other for removing flakes. Okay, so this picture it is. Okay, students, clear students. So interesting, isn't it? Grandma Tamilini, do you know the weapons that the early humans used for hunting? Okay, so the grandma is telling that what Tamilini, do you know the weapons that the early humans used for hunting? Okay, so Tamilini is grandma is explaining this. Tamilini, I have no idea, grandma. Can you tell me about hunting practices? Can you tell me about the hunting practices? So like that, they explain. Then stone tools and weapons. Stone tools and weapons. Okay, ma. So next what ma? Stone tools and weapons. Grandma, hunting was the main occupation of humans in the past. Okay, hunting is the main occupation. Okay, ma, hunting is the main occupation. Okay, so it was difficult for human to kill a big animal with a stick or a stone. Okay, it is very difficult to kill the animal, isn't it? Kill the animal. To kill the we need different stone. Different type of weapon is important, isn't it? So they decided to use sharpened weapons. So they decided to use sharpened. The best stone for the making weapons was Chikimukikal. It is known for its strength and durability. Humans spent many hours in search of flint stone. Okay, students, nothing students, many tools and weapons used. Okay, these are the tools and weapons they used. Okay, the picture has given students. So see the tools, how it will be stone. With the help of the stone only, it will be. Okay, students. Okay, ma. So grandma explained it like this. Sharpened weapons it is. Okay, could you understand? Could understand, ma? So wood to grip the humans created tools like caves, like axes with big stone. Okay, so later what they used such a type of axes and big stone also. Okay, could understand, ma? The people used different type of tools. Okay, the people used different type of tools. Okay, first they used such a type of stones and all, okay, for hunt the animals. Okay, later now it is very sharp, isn't it? Our knife and all, isn't it? So like that it will be. Okay, students, I will continue into next class remaining portion. Okay, ma? So that answer in one word, one question is there, isn't it? Answer in one word. Answer in one word. So see what method is used to find out the age of the excavated materials. What method is used to find out the age of the excavated materials, ma? Radiocarbon method. Okay, radiocarbon method. The second one, what did early humans wear? What did early humans wear? They wore dresses made out of leaves, skin of animals and barks of trees. Okay, so what did early humans wear? They wore dresses made out of leaves, skin of animals and barks of trees. Which animal was? Where did early humans live? They lived on the branches of trees, in caves and mountain ranges. Okay, they lived on the branches of trees, in caves and mountain ranges. Which animal was used for ploughing? Oxen. When did humans settle in one place? When did humans settle in one place? When people began to practice agriculture, life became an organized one. It made the people settle in one place. Okay, could understand, ma? So 5 questions will be their answer in one word. I will give the notes. In this notes, what you have to do, ma? You should write it in one paper near the book side. Or the book particular pages will be there, no? In the book side only you have to paste this paper. Okay, will you follow this? It's very difficult to write it in the particular place, isn't it? Isn't it? Because the question is answer is very big. Okay, so you take one paper and write all the answers and keep it in the particular book side. Okay, then you paste it. Okay, ma'am, you paste it also. Okay, once again I am reading this. Answering one word. What method is used to find out the age of the excavated materials? Radiocarbon dating. What did early humans wear? They wore dresses made out of leaves, skin of animals and barks of trees. Where did early humans live? They lived on the branches of trees, in caves and mountain ranges. Which animal was used for ploughing? Oxen. When did humans settle in one place? When people began to practice agriculture, life became an organized one. It made the people settle in one place. Okay, will you study this question? Everyone study, everyone learn this 5 question. Okay, ma? So remaining portion I will continue into next class. Okay, students? Thank you, students.